Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the middle of getting ready to hop in the shower and wash my hair. Y'all, this is my hair after 2 weeks of not giving her no care. My hair is effed up. Y'all see it? Oh, and Jesus. Jesus take the wheel because she is, oh Lord have mercy. She's just going through some things. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do an initial review of the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo and Conditioner. And get them angles and it's alright. Okay, anyways, got these in my December curl kit and I never used them. So I want to go ahead and try to give them a try now. So, I'm getting ready to hop into this shower and see what it's hitting for. It says that the shampoo is supposed to cleanse hair, help restore moisture for healthier looking hair, detangles and softens, provides shine. So we're going to see if it does all that for me, because if you can see, my hair is really chappy at the end. She thirsty, okay? She's like, bitch, you tried it. Why haven't you did something with me, okay? Yeah. And then the conditioner says it locks in moisture, smooths and softens, controls frizz, Lord have mercy, and untangles. So I'm going to hop in the shower. I'm going to wash my hair right quick. And then I'm going to come back and let y'all see what is hitting for. Okay? Alright, so fresh out the shower. I do have a towel on, so y'all won't think I'm on here naked as hell or whatever. But wanted to show y'all and give you my little thoughts about first using these products. So this is my hair right now. Nothing is in my hair. This is my hair with no product in it. You can see it's kind of more detangled than it was when I first went up in there. Try to let y'all see the back here. Yeah. So, first of all, I want to say this stuff smells amazing. It's lingering in my hair. I smell it. It smells really, really good. My hair, for it to have no product in it right now, is moisturized. Like, that shampoo and conditioner did do good. So, first of all, talking about the shampoo. Dry it off a little bit. The shampoo has a very nice consistency, as you can see there. Like, it's got that same kind of shininess to it that a lot of Cream of Nature's shampoos have. Their Argan Oil is like a yellow one, but it's got this nice shininess to it too. So, yeah. It's got that. It's a nice thick run. It's like thick runny, if I could explain it, consistency. And it coats the hair very, very well. It did cleanse my hair. Now, this claims to be a cleanser, and it definitely cleansed my hair because my hair felt like borderline stripped after I used it, but not stripped to the point where I was like, oh my God, I'll never use this shit again. Because I've used shampoos like the Eden Body Works coconut shampoo. It strips my hair really bad, and it makes my hair matte because it strips it so bad, so I don't use that. But this was pretty good. Now, it said that I detangled and softened, so you know the kid went to test it out. I never am one to detangle my hair much while it's shampoo, it was shampoo in it anyway, but it said that on the shampoo. So what I did was I did my first wash where it didn't lather much because my hair was dirty as hell. But on the second wash, which I only did 2 washes, it lathered a lot. So for those of you that love shampoo like myself, this shampoo lathers and coats the hair very well. So after I got the second wash in and I had it coated really good and it was like lathered up, I started like pulling the ends apart, just the ends, to see how it was doing. And my ends were like coming apart. So that was really nice. I like this shampoo. Yes, I do like this shampoo. The conditioner, it said it locks in moisture, smooths and softens, controls frizzes, and untangles. So first of all, the consistency of this is kind of thick as well. It reminds me kind of like a pudding-like consistency, which I really, really like because it coated my hair really good. It said to use a generous amount, in which I was going to use a generous amount anyway, because when I use conditioners, especially when I am in the shower and I need to detangle, I use a lot. This detangled pretty well. Now, I'm not going to say the slip is amazing on this. It ain't like the Aussie conditioner where that slip is just... I still have not found a product that has a slip like that as far as a rinse out conditioner goes. But this is pretty good. It's not bad. Considering that my hair had 2 weeks worth of some tangles in it, it really detangled well. I mean, y'all look at my hair. Look at that. That's not really tangled up hair right there. You know, that's not tangled up hair. That's not tangled up hair. So I give this product, I give it about a 7.58 on the Richter scale. I don't know if it's a product I'll rebuy, but I'm definitely going to use this since I got it in my curl kit. Like it's bomb enough for me to use it all. I'll tell you that. It's just I get so many products and I have so many products. I don't know if I'll rebuy this right away, but this is a nice shampoo and conditioner. So if you have this and you haven't used it, you got it in your curl kit or whatever, try it. I like it. If you have used it, drop a comment below. Let me know how it was for you. All that good stuff. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.